Hi, I'm Amy, this is Jake, and this is Cat Attack.
This month, Bright Futures Council is collecting new and used cards and board games for the January Blue Barrel collection.
Hirschville High School will present the play A Midsummer Night's Dream, January 23rd through the 25th at 7 p.m. in the PAC.
Make sure you stop by the Royal Roast Coffee Shop at their new location in room 901 before school. January's special is a peppermint mocha.
Court-warming shirts are now on sale. Orders are due January 31st.
Auditions for the One Act and Readers Theater are January 27th. And auditions for the Shakespeare Speaking Competition are January 28th. And now to a moment with Matt.